We had a very detailed session today where all the participants of the meeting expressed their opinions on the ways to peace, on the very fact of the meeting itself, and how to proceed further. Today's meeting was very, very satisfactory. The expressions of our brother Mr. Sanakzai, his views were expressed, so was Mr. Qanuni, so was Mr. Mahakik and other speakers. Tomorrow we will continue again. There is tremendous eagerness in all of us to come up with a suggestion that will bring peace to Afghanistan and bring independence to Afghanistan.
It was a very fruitful meeting today. I'm very happy and we are satisfied with that. So today we had very friendly discussions with all participants from different walks of life who came from Afghanistan, different parts, political parties and civil societies. So we had very good discussion and inshallah it will continue in the future also, and with the hope that we can bring peace one day, complete peace in Afghanistan after, and we make suitable atmosphere for those foreign forces also to go and leave Afghanistan as soon as it is possible. And instead of that we have a government in Afghanistan which is acceptable to the majority of Afghanistan. Inshallah we are with this.